I have 500. Makabili nga ng milk tea. Shut up. Tumingin ka na nga kaka-milk tea mo. Milk tea na nga tumadaloy sa dugo mo. Tsaka blood type mo, tapioca na. Kaysa pang Lazada, Shopee, milk tea, or Starbucks mo yung pera mo. Why don't you plant a seed for your future instead? In this video, let's talk about one of the safest investments dito sa Pilipinas, which is perfect for people who are new to investing, for fresh graduates, and people who are looking to diversify their portfolio. At ang maganda rito, 500 lang siya. And we are starting right now. What's up mga Big Banks? Again, this is Christian Rivera, aka Daddy Big Bank. If you're new here, we're talking about personal finances, self-improvement, at kung ano-ano pa in this channel. So please like, share, and subscribe para updated ka. In this video, let's talk about what is pag-ibig. Huwag kang mag-alala. Not this one. Alam namin wala ka nan. Next is why. Ano ba mapapala mo kung mag-i-invest ka rito? Ano ba mangyayari sa pera mo pag mag-invest ka rito? Most importantly, is how. I'll show you on how you can get started on investing sa MP2. I feel that this is the most important kasi you can read all the books that you can. You can watch all the videos about investing. Pero kung wala ka namang action, brad, nangayang pera mo. I just want to say, this is not the perfect investment. At wala pong perfect na financial vehicle. You still need to do your own diligence and study. Kasi, at the end of the day, it's still your money. At ikaw pa rin bahala kung ano mangyayari sa pera mo. Okay ka ba ba? If you're still there, let's get down to the yummy details. So, what is pag-ibig? Basically, they're a government-controlled agency na nagbibigay ng murang home loans para sa mga Pinoy. What happens is yung income from the loans are being paid back to their members as dividends or yung porsyento ng tubo. At yun ang binibigay na interest for their regular savings. To be able to apply for the MP2 program or regular savings program nila, you just need to be an active Pag-ibig member or a former Pag-ibig fund member with other sources of monthly income. If you're employed naman, you are required by law to become a Pag-ibig member. So there would be a monthly deduction that goes to your Pag-ibig contribution. Then, that money comes back to you along with the interest and dividends that you earned after its 20-year maturity or upon retirement, whichever comes first. The good news is, ang minimum nito is 100 pesos lang per month, which is according sa provisions ng Republic Act 9679. Pwede kaya maglagay ng mas malaki pa kaysa sa 100? Yes, pwede. You just need to accomplish the request for upgrading savings form and submit this to your employer. Employed members immediately enjoy doble dahil sa counterpart share ng employers nila. Free money, man! And here are instances on when you can withdraw your Pag-ibig regular savings account. And here we are. The extra savings program that they have. Drum roll, please. The Modified Pag-ibig 2 program, or what they call MP2. Basically, this is their initiative to give their members more options to earn more money. The highest interest rate that they got was 8.11, which is significantly higher than what the banks can give. Pero you have to understand, this is voluntary. meaning you have to go to their office or fill up something online and apply for this program. Unlike the regular program, which has 20 years for its maturity, MP2 only has 5 years for it to mature. So ano naman sa akin kung mag-invest ako rito? First, it's government-backed, meaning safe ang pera mo. Probably this is the safest investment na nagbibigay ng high yield. Though, ang interest nito ay depende sa dividendo per year, still you are assured of your money. The government is backing your funds. Second is tax-free. No taxes, boy! Unlike when transaction with bonds or stocks. Every time I trade stocks, whether bumili ako or nagbenta ako ng units, my transaction fees and charges. And with bonds, there is a withholding tax for the interest that you're getting. Third is, you can start investing with just 500 pesos. Unlike the regular savings program, you can invest whenever you want to. On how much? And paano in terms, as long as your minimum is 500 pesos. Sobrang baba lang nun at ang daming Pilipino ang kayang-kaya ng ganung amount. There is also no limit on how much you can invest. So you can go with 100,000, 500,000, o kahit 1 million. If you have the money and you want to keep it safe, this is the perfect investment for you. Fourth is since everything is done online, so is this. Super convenience. I just want to tell you na hindi ito recession-proof. Meaning, mas mababa ang dividends na makukuha this year since maraming tao ang nawalan ng trabaho at hindi makabayad dun sa loans nila. Pero, that's just looking at it short term. Since we are an economy that's based on consumerism, I believe that we will be able to recover and people will be able to pay back their loans. So personally, I'll still continue to invest in the NP2 since tataas din naman na ang interest niya. Plus, it's much better to look at the longer term for your money, di ba? Plus, if you're the kind of person who wants to play it safe and wants to keep your capital, this is for you. Now, you might be thinking, sounds good. How do I start? Since alam ko na lahat ng aasahan, how do I begin? Here are the steps. First off, you need to be an active Pag-ibig member. Meaning, registered ka, plus may isa kang hulog for the last 6 months. If qualified ka na, good job! Let's start investing. If not yet, like fresh grad ka, or still studying, you can just register as a volunteer member by going to a branch or for more convenience, doing it online. The minimum requirement for students is that you just need to be 18 or above, plus mababayaran yung minimum monthly contribution. You just need to sign up the form, link on the description box, and bring it to the nearest Pag-ibig branch. You also need to bring your passbook or ATM kung ano yung gusto mong bagong gamitin. Okay, great! Ang tanong ko lang, after ko mag-invest, how will I get my money back? Pag-ibig is giving us 2 options. One is full withdrawal after 5 years or after its maturity, or through an annual payout. I personally chose the full withdrawal since it has a potential of paying me higher. Since yung tubo ko, makakaroon din ng interest, which is called compounding interest. For me, I like investing in the NP2. As saan ka pa makakahanap ng ganito kasip na investment? Plus, it's giving me a very high interest. Plus, this investment forces the discipline out of you. Kasi the best skill that you can have when doing your personal finance is delaying instant gratification. So 5 to 10 years down the line, you can have a lot of down the road. So there we go. Sana po may natutunan kayo and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more personal financial tips. See you on the next episode.